Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to install an older version of YouTube on a iPad mini first generation running iOS version 9.3.5. To do this you will need to have a iPad that is jailbroken. I had made a video on how to jailbreak a first generation iPad. I will link it in the description. I can't guarantee that it will work with other generations of iPads. Now I did try some different things to get this to work. I've installed the retro kit from Cydia, but YouTube does not work properly on that. Then I tried something called TubeReplacer, and the problem with that was that it wanted me to use my Apple account or Apple ID to log in, and this iPad has been factory reset many years ago, and the original Apple ID that was used on this device does no longer exist. But if you're already logged into an Apple account where you have downloaded YouTube from before, you should be able to go onto the App Store and download the older version of YouTube. You do not need to jailbreak the iPad to do that. So unfortunately I cannot use TubeReplacer because I cannot log into my Apple account on this iPad, but I did find another way to get some of the older versions of YouTube installed on this iPad Gen 1. It's called TubeReplacer and it's made by a user called Preloading on GitHub. It seems to work, and from what I gather at this moment it works on iOS versions 5 to 10 and with YouTube versions 1.0.0 and 1.4.0. So let's try and install what we need. As I said, you need a jailbroken device, and if you already have TubeReplacer installed in Cydia, go ahead and uninstall it. Just press modify and remove and confirm. Now the iPad has restarted. Let's go back to Cydia and add a repo in here. So we go to sources and edit and add, and now let's add the repo. Link the name of the repo in the description. Okay, so now we have added Preloading's repo, or let's open it and open all packages, and let's install TubeReplacer. Just press on TubeReplacer and modify and install. Now the iPad has restarted again and TubeReplacer should be installed now. Now we need to go and download a compatible version of YouTube, so version 1.0.0 to 1.4.0. And because I am on iOS 9, I will be using this website, iPhone Obscura, now it's just iosapps.litten.ca. I have used this before in my how to install games video. Let's go to the YouTube and I will try the 1.4.0 version first. Also, before I forget, you will need to have AppSync Unified installed. I've used this web page before when I installed games on this iPad. I had also made a video about that, and I will link that in the description as well. But let's try and install YouTube, and this is the 1.4.0 version, and I'm just going to hit install directly. When the YouTube app is done installing, I will restart the iPad, and after that I will try and open the YouTube app. So let's try and open YouTube, and it wants me to sign in with my Apple ID, and I know already that I cannot do that. Yeah, so I will have to find a older version than this one. Let's try the 1.3.0 version and install that. And just as before, when YouTube is finished, I will restart the iPad. And this warning, storage almost full, just ignore it. It sometimes happens when you have a jailbroken iPad. Okay, so let's try and open YouTube. And it seems to be working. And you can sign in to your Google account if you want, and the search function works as well. Of course, there will be some things that don't work because it's an old version. Overall, it seems like the most important stuff does work. This was a really easy way to get YouTube to work on an old iPad. And I highly recommend you go check out Preloading's GitHub and show some support. And also try this method if you have an old iPad you want to watch YouTube on. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.